Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Super Chic Lacquer, Happy Thoughts, and STZ 646 water slide decals. And I've got on the Naked Manicure as my base. So here we go with Super Chic Lacquer, Happy Thoughts. Yes, so pretty. Alright, so there's my Naked Manicure underneath. So we're going to go on top of that. And we're just going to glide this buttery, creamy, smooth polish over the top of this. I mean, this just goes on like nothing. I mean, it's no trouble. Very easy to clean. And, I mean, because I'm not going to have to do any cleanup or anything. Look at this. It's just perfect. It's not flooding, not running. Brush, you know, the brush knob is in play here. Love it. And I probably could have got away with one coat, but we did two. I'm going to top it with INMs out the door. And you can see that pink flash that's in there on top of all that hollow. It's just crazy pretty. Gonna cap my free edge here. So I made a bigger mess with that than I did the hollow polish. It's because I got happy thoughts. Here's my swatch photo on its own. Bling bling. STZ 646. Just some water slide decals. I cut the ones off I wanted to use. You got to remove that clear plastic off the top. And then I'm getting my little scissors out here, and I'm going to cut these out and separate them. Yes. Nice, easy manicure today. You know, no fuss, no muss. Easy does it, girl. All right, I'm going to get my little, I've got a little bowl. A little ceramic bowl, and I've got a makeup, like a makeup remover pad soaked in water, and I'm just laying the stickers on top and getting them wet. I know there's many ways you can do this, but this is how I'm doing it. So you just pull them out of the water one at a time and slide them, because they're water slide decals. Slide them onto the nail. Now, I always make this look harder than it really is or should be. But that's just me. I show y'all everything. Me and my fumbling and bumbling and all that good stuff. I'm going to tap it down. Make sure it's where I want it. Kind of gets hard to move after a while. I am going to take a lint-free wipe and kind of dab some of the extra water off. And then head on to the next one. And yes, I'm going to show you me applying all of these, because some of them go easy and some of them don't. And just in case you're doing this, I want you to know if you're having issues. We all have issues. I've been doing these for a long, long time, and I still have issues. Now that one went pretty smooth. Like it. Dab the extra water off. Ooh wee. Already loving this. And I'm going to go to the next one. In fact, water slide decals were actually my go-to. That was like my only form of nail art back in the day. And I'd actually gotten rid of all my water decals because I kind of really stopped painting my nails for a while. And then I got all hot and heavy into it again and just went ballistic buying water decals. I mean, I went to, you know, all the places. AliExpress, Born Pretty, Beauty Bay. I mean, anywhere that sold water decals, y'all, I was on there and buying it. Now, this one keeps trying to fold in on itself. This one's really a struggle bus. I mean, honey, put down them tweezers and just use your fingers. I'm trying to get it up on the nail, and now it's not positioned good. And like I said, sometimes they get a little tricky. You can kind of re-wet them sometimes and get them to move around, but y'all, I couldn't be bothered, I guess. I just was like, okay, you going on crooked, and that's just fine with me. Get the extra water off of it and move on. All right, one more. Can't remember who I saw do that trick. I used to, like, drop them into a little cup of water, and they'd be floating around, and if I left them too long, I'd have, like, decals separate from the card and be like sticking all over the bottom of the cup, and it was just crazy. So I love this method way better. All right, got that last one on there. Oh, how cute. I am going to just straight up top these with Poshe top coat. They're not hollow or foily or anything, so I don't have to worry about them crinkling. So I'm just going in with my Poshe top coat, seal that tip. That was kind of crooked too, but you know, only you know this. Hi Woody, how you doing? All right, so here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.